Welcome, outdoor enthusiasts. Today, we're tackling the challenge of finding the sturdiest gazebos to brave the strongest winds of 2024. Join us as we explore top contenders like the Yitahome Hardtop, Sunjoy Hardtop, Backyard Discovery Arcadia Wooden, Kozyard Alexander Hardtop, and Purple Leaf Hardtop Gazebos. Let's dive into the features and durability of these structures to ensure your outdoor sanctuary stands strong against nature's forces. Number 5. The Yitahome Hardtop Gazebo is a premium outdoor structure designed to elevate your outdoor living experience. Featuring a galvanized iron sheet top, this gazebo prevents fading and prolongs its service life, while the middle hook allows for the addition of electric lights or fans, enhancing your outdoor ambience. With fully enclosed double-sided zippers and double-layered sidewalls made of polyester cloth and mesh, this gazebo provides excellent ventilation and an open view while protecting you from rain and harmful UV rays. This ensures a safe and comfortable environment for your family and children, with added privacy. The sturdy aluminum frame is powder-coated to resist weathering, fading, rust, and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting durability. For reinforced corners provide extra stability and safety, while holes and ground stakes in the feet allow for additional reinforcement. With spacious dimensions of 144-inch length by 120 width by 108 height, this gazebo is perfect for backyards, terraces, lawns, and courtyards, accommodating 4 to 6 people for parties and gatherings. While assembly may take 2 to 4 hours with 2 to 4 people, detailed tutorial installation videos and manuals are provided for ease of setup. With its combination of durability, functionality, and style, the Yitahome Hardtop Gazebo is a must-have addition to any outdoor space. Number 4. The Sunjoy Hardtop Gazebo offers a luxurious outdoor retreat with its sturdy construction and elegant design. Crafted with a cedar wood frame and a durable brown double steel hardtop roof, this gazebo provides shade, protection from the elements, and privacy for your outdoor gatherings. One of its standout features is the double-layer beams, which provide twice the reinforcement for added strength and longevity. Supported by 4 5.5 by 5.5-inch extra-strong wood posts with ground stakes, this gazebo is built to withstand strong winds and inclement weather, ensuring stability and durability for years to come. The attractive finish adds to its appeal, creating a stylish outdoor haven that will stand the test of time. Additionally, the built-in dual-rail system allows for the suspension of mosquito netting and privacy curtains, sold separately, enhancing comfort and privacy. With a ceiling hook provided for hanging lighting fixtures, not included, you can illuminate your evening gatherings and create a warm ambience. Assembly is made easy with illustrated instructions, and you can rely on the experienced customer service team for any assistance. Measuring 154.9 inches in length, 132.1 inches in width, and 120.1 inches in height, and weighing 413.36 pounds. This gazebo provides ample space for outdoor relaxation and entertainment. Transform your garden or backyard into a sophisticated outdoor oasis with the Sunjoy Hardtop Gazebo. Number 3. The Backyard Discovery Arcadia Wooden Gazebo Pavilion is a stunning addition to any outdoor space, offering both style and functionality. Crafted from 100% cedar wood, this gazebo is naturally resistant to decay and rot, ensuring long-lasting durability even in outdoor conditions. Its Protect-tested and proven design can withstand a roof load of up to 3,510 pounds, making it capable of handling heavy snow loads of up to 18 inches. The slope roof design with a 5 degrees roof pitch prevents water accumulation, while the 29-gauge black steel roof provides dent and corrosion resistance. Tested and proven to withstand winds of up to 100 miles per hour, this gazebo offers peace of mind in harsh weather conditions. The heat-reducing roof technology with a steel roof and heat barrier reduces heat transfer by up to 20 degrees, keeping you cool and comfortable during hot summer days. Equipped with an exclusive power port that includes 3 USB ports and 3 outlets, this gazebo offers convenience for lighting, device charging, and more. Assembly is made easy with pre-cut, pre-drilled, and pre-stained components, supported by the step-by-step interactive built app. Measuring 146.56-inch length by 114.44 width by 100.44 height and weighing 535.72 pounds. The Backyard Discovery Arcadia Wooden Gazebo Pavilion is the perfect choice for enhancing your backyard, deck, garden, or patio with style and durability. Number 2. The Kozyard Alexander Hardtop Gazebo is a premium addition to any outdoor space, offering a perfect blend of style, durability, and functionality. Featuring a strong structure with 4.7 inches by 4.7 inches triangular poles and 5-inch by 4-inch beams. This gazebo provides a solid foundation for unparalleled stability and longevity. It can withstand snow loads of up to 2,500 pounds and wind speeds of up to 40 miles per hour, ensuring reliable performance in various weather conditions. With ample space measuring 10 feet by 12 feet, this gazebo offers plenty of room for relaxation and entertainment for you and your guests. The included curtains and netting, equipped with fully enclosed double-sided zippers and a dual-track system, provide protection from rain and UV rays while offering ventilation and unobstructed views. This creates a safe and comfortable environment for your family. The metal canopy and roof, made of galvanized steel with a 29-gauge thickness, ensure durability and longevity. The innovative double-top design enhances breathability and air circulation, contributing to a pleasant environment. Additionally, 2 hooks are provided to accommodate fans or lights, enhancing the ambience of your gazebo and making it a comfortable and inviting space for outdoor gatherings. Number 1. The Purple Leaf Hardtop Gazebo Pavilion is the epitome of luxury and durability, designed to elevate your outdoor living experience. Crafted with a bronze aluminum frame and a galvanized steel top, this gazebo is built to withstand the elements, with the roof capable of withstanding 2,500 pounds of snow. The aluminum frame is powder-coated for a decorative textured finish, ensuring durability and resistance to chipping or peeling. With a wind rating of up to 40 miles per hour, this gazebo provides a secure and stable outdoor sanctuary. Featuring a water gutter design, the gazebo efficiently collects surface water and directs it away from your home, preventing water damage. The double-layer construction with built-in netting allows for additional air circulation while providing a safe environment. The double-track system and 2-in-1 binding belt enable easy hanging or tying up of the curtains and netting, while the upgraded yarn-dyed curtains block rain and sun, enhancing comfort and privacy. Additionally, stable column bases with pre-drilled holes and solid hooks allow for the installation of ceiling fans or chandeliers inside the gazebo. Backed by a 5-year warranty for the hardtop roof, 1-year warranty for the aluminum frames, and 2-year warranty for the curtains and netting, the Purple Leaf Hardtop Gazebo Pavilion is a reliable and stylish addition to any outdoor space.